Let's begin with preparing our potatoes. Put them in a pot of water and bring to a boil. Leave the skin on. From a very well washed cauliflower, we cut 1-inch thick slices out. The best potatoes to use here would be baby potatoes, but I was out of it, so I just used what I had. But if you can, use those baby potatoes. Just make sure you wash them before you put them in the pot with water to boil them with the skin. Heat up some olive oil and add in the cauliflower slices. And yes, I say patty, I will not say steak, because I'm a vegetarian my whole life, so why should I eat something what is called a steak when I don't eat it? I just eat vegetables. With the cauliflower florets, we will cut them in very small pieces. Don't use up all of it. We only need as much to cover the cauliflower patties. Alright here, I think that looks good enough. Now we cut the bell pepper into small dices. Don't forget to keep an eye on your cauliflower. We want a golden crisp on each side. Add your bell pepper to the cauliflower. And get the zest of a lemon. And add the zest to your cauliflower and your bell pepper into the bowl. Add to it sea salt and black pepper. Let's go ahead now and chop down some fresh parsley. It is absolutely fine if you don't have fresh parsley at hand that you can use dried herbs. And as well, we add the parsley into the bowl with the other stuff and mix it in. And now into the bowl we mix in some shredded cheese. Use vegan cheese if you want this in a vegan version. We go ahead now and place our patties onto a baking tray. And this is how they should look when you take them out of the pan. Use a spoon to cover the patties with the cheesy vegetables. We now go ahead and place the tray into the preheated oven for 15 minutes. Now let us prepare the sauce. Now we go ahead and slice down our carrots. If your carrots are small, use up to 3. If it's a large one, you need just 1. Keep the slices you cut out small. Heat up olive oil and sauté your carrot slices. Get a tomato and dice it into cubes. Add the tomato into the pan with the carrots and sauté. Adding in a teaspoon of sea salt, and cracked black pepper. And we melt in a piece of butter, around 2 tablespoons. And adding in a tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Incorporate to the butter and let it come together. Now fill it up with 1 cup of vegetable broth. And keep on stirring. Transfer the sauce into a blender. and add in a tablespoon of paprika powder. And a tablespoon of turmeric. Half a teaspoon of wasabi. Blend it into a smooth, creamy sauce. Alright, now let's assemble the plate. Pour the sauce on the plate. Place your potato to it. And lay your cauliflower patty right into the sauce. And now let's enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Shalom.